Hi, welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. We're going to be showing you what I'm going to be giving away for my 300 subscriber giveaway. So once I reach 300 subscribers with you as my community here, my little creative community, because it's not about just me, it's you and me together. We are now crafting and sewing buddies. Yay! So welcome everyone. So here are 4 prizes that I will be giving away to 4 different winners once we reach 300. So please share this video on all of your social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, your blog. If you do a blog post, that can count as extra entries. So I will list in the description below all the different things. And what I'm going to do a little bit differently here is to avoid any scammers, which I've never had that happen. But I've just been reading about this recently, so I thought I might as well throw that out there. But I have wonderful community, and I know that I don't have to worry about that with any of my subscribers. But I host my giveaway on my blog, which is marketsofsunshine.com, and I use Rafflecopter. So I don't do it right here on YouTube, and that also gives everyone the opportunity to enter, but your account needs to be public so that I can verify that you're a subscriber. So that's the really main requirement for me to be able to verify that you are a subscriber to my channel, because that's the whole purpose of this, right? To be a subscriber and to be a part of Markets of Sunshine crafting and sewing community. So first up, this is a wallet. These are all brand new. They've never been used, and it's from 31 Gifts. So if you've heard of that company, it's a really nice little company, and I was a demonstrator for a while because I love the products so much, and I thought, well, you know what, I want to get a discount because I have so many needs and purposes and uses for them, and all these tote bags. So they have these wonderful tote bags, but they have big tote bags. This is a nice tote bag, but they've got ones that are really long and deep, and I use those for all my fabrics, by the way. And then another wallet. This one is a nice quilted, kind of like a Vera Bradley style, that quilted nice fabric. So both of these are fabric. And this is in a beautiful black and pink fabric. And then on the inside, a really nice neon pink fabric. So lots of room for your money, your wallet, credit card, checkbook in this wallet. And a coin holder over here, and then of course a zipper here and a zipper here. So that's prize number 2. And then prize number 3 is this tote. This is wonderful, and again, as you can see, brand new in the bag. It has this little snap part here, and it actually goes on the handles of any tote bag. So you just open it up and you put it on the front of your tote bag handles, and now you've put an instant pocket to your tote bag. It's really nice, very deep. Okay, and this is in a tan and a white polka dot. I love that. So that's prize number 3. Get it back in the bag. Okay, and then prize number 4 is a cell phone holder. Now this is for anyone who has those original small flip top type phones, or just a real small phone, and I know lots of people out there actually still have those type phones. There's a little coin purse section on the inside, and then the little credit card sleeves on the inside, a nice dark rich purple, and then a tan color. And then another little place here you can put something, little notepad or something like that. Maybe even your phone could go here. So maybe that's what this is. Maybe this is where your phone is supposed to be, but for secure, I would try to put it in here if it's at all possible. Okay, so this is prize number 4, and of course, look at this. It comes with a nice little strap to carry it. Okay, now prize number 5. So there's going to be 5 prizes in this giveaway. And the 5th prize is going to be a $30 store credit that can be used in either one of my Etsy shops. My handmade shop, which is Markets of Sunshine, which hosts all of my beautiful journals, my cash envelope wallets and binders, and my care packages. I love these care packages. Writing box care packages, which come with a junk journal, little mini journals, cash envelope wallets. Some of them have sun hats, some of them have face masks. So I've just gone overboard with what comes in that. So let me show you one of the sets. This is called my Sunshine in a Box. So you can see the whole box is in a beautiful yellow decoupage, happy sunshine theme. And so let me just set this down here. I lined the inside of the box as well, and I repurposed a box. So here's the sun hat. It's so cute. I make these myself, and I've just made a few. I'm not going to carry these in my shop. They're only in the care packages, but this will fit a 20 to 22 inch circumference. So I would say like a medium, my size head. But it's like, so if you're really tiny and petite, like my daughter, it was a little bit bigger for her, so she's like at the 19, 20 mark. And then you can fold this up. Oh, they're just so adorable. They're reversible. So they're just absolutely precious. Love these. So like I said, some of my care packages come with the sun hat in it. And you could use your $30 store credit if you're the winner. And then lots of other goodies are in the care package. So I just wanted to show you that, and I won't go through the whole set right here, but if you go on over to my Etsy shop, you can see all the contents there. So thank you so much for being a part of my community. I'm at 253 subscribers. So my last video I said 254. I misread that. So I don't think I lost anyone from my last video, which was just a few seconds ago. But I'm doing an altered book series, so I hope you'll join, and the fun of that is coming along just beautifully. I love journaling, but I love altered books even more. That is what I really have a real deep joy and get just so much entertainment out of it, and just taking the pages, and now you've read the book, and the book's been sitting there for a long time, or maybe you go to the library and they have so many books. You could never read all the books that have been written in your lifetime. So don't cry over the fact that you're going to alter a book, okay? Let's get past that boo-hoo part, okay? And so now you're turning this beautiful book into a literary piece of literature into something beautiful and useful, and you're saving the landfill. So remember that. Think about that. You're reducing your carbon footprint, you're saving the landfill, you're recycling, repurposing, and reusing. Okay, so all of those green crafting things that I love to talk about here on my channel, and we're saving money. So that's another good point. You get to use up a lot of your supplies. I'm showing you all the different ways of using your supplies. The napkin that I just embellished today is just gorgeous in that page. And I can't remember which Facebook group member in our group, Junk Journal Junction, we did a swap some months back, and I don't remember if it was Glennis or Christina. I'm trying to remember. I had several partners, so I don't really remember who it was, but either one of those. So thank you. Whoever you were, if you're watching, you can pipe up and say, it was me, Marsha. So thank you so much for that. I just love it. So this journal, I'm doing 3 books. Actually, I'm going to be altering 3 books with you. So once I finish the first book, which is the one I'm working on now, which is called Flowers for Mother, and I tell you who the author is. It's a 1964 book. I was born in 1963. So that was just a wonderful thing to find out as well. My sister was born in 1964. Anyway, and I did an altered book of that for my mother. It turned out absolutely beautiful. She loves pink roses, and teacups, so I did all in that theme. You can go back and watch the video that I did about that. And so I'm going to do, not in this book, because I've already done all my covering of the pages. I've already prepped the pages, so I wouldn't do it in here. But I will show you how to put a secret compartment in your book. Okay, so that's pretty good. So you have to have a thicker book. You can't come, you can't have something flat like this. So it needs to be at least, an inch. Go for an inch thickness. And this one, Flowers from Mother, I don't even think it's an inch, but I managed to pull it off. It was really cool. So I'll show you how to do that. And we make hollow books. And I'll show you some of the ones that we've made. Just happen to have one here. Now I used to have an Etsy shop with solely for hollow books and altered books, but 1 year for the holidays we got a custom order, and I specialized. That was our specialty, was custom orders. So we would take and make a laptop holder out of a book, a tablet holder out of a book. And this particular year, a gentleman came along from a business, and he asked us to make 100 hollow books. Can you believe that? And he ordered, I'm thinking it was the end of October. And my health was not at the level it is today. I have Lyme disease, and let me tell you, it was very high. But my husband helps me. I glue the books, and then he's the one who cuts them out. And then he makes the wood box, and I embellish it. So I glue it, I embellish it. He actually cuts the book with a saw, and then I do the embellishing. So here is what I would do. I would take and put a map. So wherever the person lived is where I would put the map. So I have vintage book maps. And so that's another plus of our shop that was unique. And then I leave a few pages. So as you see here, this was a Jane Austen, Sense and Sensibility. I have a mini book that's an Emma, and I've done that as a ring holder. And a gentleman in France actually ordered that, and he was going to surprise his fiancée and propose, and he put the ring in the box. Just all the stories that we learn when people would tell us this. And the gentleman who ordered the 100 books, it was actually for young people. So he ordered 100 Nancy Drew and Hardy Boys. And so I had to go scouring. And then the other series, there's a series that has all of the classic stories, like Black Beauty, Treasure Island, that series. I'm sure if you have young children, you know what I'm talking about. So, and you probably had to read those books in school yourself. So now this, let me see if I can get okay, here we go. Because I put a vintage button on the front of the wood drawer, but this one I had taken off. So it slides out, and then the drawer is lined with felt. And then as you can see, and we just glue it, and it goes in here, and then I paint it, I distress it. So this one I did a lot of distressing on it, and then on the inside and the outside, and then drill 2 holes here, put my little wire, and then put the vintage button, and then this slides in there, and then it can just go right on a shelf, and no one is the wiser, but this is actually a hollow book. Isn't that cool? So, when we reach 400 subscribers, I will give a hollow book as one of the prizes. So, I usually give multiple prizes. I'll have another store credit. So I'll do a $40 store credit when we reach 400 subscribers, and I will give a hollow book. So there will be 2 prizes for the 400. So right now we're talking about the 300 subscriber giveaway, but I wanted to show you. And this is something, if you're interested in learning how to do this, I can show you step by step. Even cutting it on the saw, I will record that on one video, so it'll be a series. So I'll show you gluing it first, how you have to set it to let it dry, what you need to do for that. There's a really unique way you have to do that. Then once it's dried overnight, you have to wait the next day. So that's why the books are a little bit expensive. Our custom orders generally were $75. And especially when I have to go find a huge book to put a laptop in, let me tell you, whew, boy, what a job that was. And then another girl, actually, it was somebody from Hollywood. Of course, I can't reveal who that was. And so I've done a lot of celebrity gifts. I did celebrity gifting lounges, and we did hollow books there. And I had a celebrity who took a picture with my book, and I used to have it on my blog, but somehow through the years it got lost. And then my daughter's artwork, we sent in a canvas piece of her artwork, and it was actually to the Emmys was one, and then I can't remember what the other one was, but anyway, a younger actress child took my daughter's artwork. It was Violin Girl. It was so beautiful. And then her artwork was also featured, and it's still to this day, if the place is still in business, a very popular restaurant in Hollywood where a lot of the stars go. So my daughter's artwork was there. So I don't know, because we donated it more or less, and they never, I had a certain amount priced on it, and they wanted to pay us like half. And I was like, I'm not going to do that, because it wasn't even paying for the canvas. It was very expensive to get it put on a really nice piece of canvas because of where it was going to be displayed. And so I said, I'm not even going to get paid for the canvas with the price that they offer. So anyway, but that was I just giving you a little walk down memory lane here with me of my background and my experience and what we've done and what I know how to do. And so anyway, and if you ever would like a custom order for us to make you a hollow book, whether it's a Jane Austen book, I am particular on what types of books that I will do. So, and it has to be hardcover, and it has to be, like I said, at least an inch thick, as you can see here. So this is just right at an inch. So that, for one thing, your drawer, so that you've got any kind of space, to put anything in here. So the thicker the book, like Reader's Digest books, I have a lot of those, and those work out really nice. But this is so beautiful, so pretty. So someone will be getting this Jane Austen Sense and Sensibility book when we reach 400 subscribers, okay? So share, 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 comment below, give me a like, and if you want to place a custom order, head on over to my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. That link will be in the description below as well, and you can let me know what title that you want, and I'll make you a custom listing. You pay, and then I start to hunt for the book, and then we go from there. So thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video. So let's get to that 300 subscriber mark really fast, quick like a bunny. Bye-bye.